If you want to search for a song on Realme GT8 Pro, you can use circle to search for that. So you can press and hold your finger on the home button or the handlebar if you use gestures for navigation instead. After that, you will open the circle to search overlay and you want to use this music note icon. Now you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get Google search results. And there is also a chance that, for example, you are outside and there is like a song being played in the background or something. So if your phone can pick it up, then you should be able to get the Google search result with this song. And for some reason, Circle to Search detected this song. I'm not sure why. But yeah, anyway, besides that, there is also the option to add the search song option to the control center or quick settings. So we're gonna use this pen icon at the top, then this plus button in the upper left corner, and then here we need to find the option, and it should be somewhere over here. I'm not sure where it is exactly. There we go, here it is, song search. So we're gonna select it, we can tap on done, and we can use this button instead of activating circle to search. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.